We decided to start the Elevated Stylist because we found that there was a lack of wellness in the hair industry.
As stylists, we pour our heart and souls into our craft, into our clients, into our staff. We just felt like we wanted to bring something to the industry where it was for us.
Life can be really busy, we're super connected, and so all of us need time to kind of unwind and disconnect and give ourselves a chance.
The whole core of this is surrounded for the soul of a stylist.
We create wellness and mindfulness and self-care within our day. It really doesn't take time out of our day, and it actually gives so many years to our career and our craft.
The vibe in Elevated Stylist is so chill. Everybody is so accommodating and so welcoming. I think it's really rare that you get to sit down and have an hour-long conversation with somebody that you respect so much that teaches all around the world. I think that that's very valuable and it's very cool.
I think this retreat will really help me start a conversation at home and bring more of this mindfulness and positivity into my salon and into my lifestyle.